Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Pepa from Encanto. Oh my god, I'm like forgetting everything. Sorry, I just like woke up and I'm very tired. Anyways, we are going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, and you don't need to have VIP for this, so that's great. I did use a lot of hair combos for this as well. Well, except for this, I think you do need VIP, but you can't really see the shoes anyways. So starting with this curly hair in this color AB7658 and D89572, no adjustments, and then this hair in B27B5E, scale it down to 0.23, and then this hair in only bangs in D89572 and 8F634B. Position the Y at 0.56, scale it to 0.52. Get this hair in that same color, position the Y at 0.44, Z 0.46, scale it to 0.32, and get this hair, toggle it to only bangs in the same color as well, position the Y at 0.57 and Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.69. Then for the flower, I just used this one in CA841F and 9C651D. Position the X at 0.51, Y 0.68, Z 0.71, rotate the X to 5, Y at 1, the X at 0.5, Y at 1, Z 0.32, and scale it to 0.43. Now for the outfit, I'm going to use the skirt and hold on, I'm like forgetting the reference. Oh god, sorry, it's supposed to be there. Okay, anyways, let's skip that. Get this color CB841F for both toggles, and then get this for the sleeves, so only sleeves, and then in that color in light silk, and then you're just going to get like a yellow here in light silk as well. Then I'm going to get this top, or MIO, and only top without chains in that same color. I might make the yellow a little bit darker on the sleeves here, like that maybe. Oh, that's a little bit too dark. Hold on. Oops, now I'm changing that color. Okay, that is good enough. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to use these shoes, or if I can just find it, in that orangey color. And then if you have this, you can put this on. If you don't have this, that's fine. Turn off bows and color it brown. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. I also use this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. I also use these earrings, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.